videos updates. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to create a directory website. A directory website is a website where companies or business services can advertise their self on the website. So if you to create this website, what we need, we can use two AI to create this simple website. Don't forget, very good news for you about this website. You can earn money in two different ways. So stay till the end because I'm going to reveal these two ways for you to start earning. So first of all, I want to show you from the beginning how to get this website. You don't need much knowledge about this. So just uh, pay close attention from here. Okay. So here I have to come to ChatGPT in order to come up with the full idea on how to get this website. So you don't need to know coding. You don't need to know anything. Just create this website live and you start earning. Okay, so the simple prompt I came up with was to tell ChatGPT to write the prompt for me. But before then, you have to explain yourself what you need and what you want. So you have to be specific in order to get this project done, completely done for free, only if you give the details of what you need. So if you see from my screen, what I wrote was write complete prompt for directory website with users features, company features, admin features. Now let the design be modern, design and responsive. Hi, good evening. Wow, long time. Thank you. How are you doing? Thank you, thank you. It has been a while. I've not seen you on live stream. I hope all is well. Okay, so this is the complete, just short, uh, understandable message to the AI. So once you put in all these details, the AI will understand exactly what you need. So here you can see what's the response the AI gives. It says, here is complete production ready AI prompt pack you can use to generate a modern directory website like business listing and services finder, local directory, marketplace directory. It includes a user, and that is what I mentioned from my message. So, which you can understand very simply that the AI was able to pick some point that was given. So, which you can understand the user, the company, and admin features. I think this is the three things very important from from the message which I give. So, and you can see the AI identify the clear three messages. So these three messages is going to make the AI to fully focus on the user page, and then the company as well, and then the admin features. So it's going to make sure it's designed these three things in a specific way and in a very professional way. So at the end, you can see it's also mentioned is going to make the modern design for us, and which is going to be responsive. So which you can understand the clear message. So having understand this, we have to go. I'm fine, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. It's been a while actually. So how is work and how is everything? I hope you can hear me. So here you can see. So now let's take a look before we go ahead to create this website. So you can see a fold. You can see here it says build functional responsive directory website. Here you can see it's giving the specification of the design requirements. You can see. So I want to take you through some simple things. Why this is very important for you is that you have to check this before going ahead to create this website. So make sure you follow it step by step to understand some of the features that's going to be added into the design. If there's anything you don't want it to be added, then you need to remove it before giving it to the AI. So we're going to use Replit AI, but first of all, let's finish with the features and the guidelines of how this works. So you can see the user features. So that is the visitors, the visitors features for the website. Okay. So the users can be able to browse directory listing without logging in. That you can understand very specific instructions that we give, and that is what makes the AI was able to kind of understand our message. So uh, two, advanced search bar, name, category, locations. So all this is going to be visible to the visitors. They can be able to do all of this, and you can see they can also filter category, rating, location, price, range. That's optional if you want to add. Maybe if the AI did not or couldn't build this, you can go ahead and ask for this as well. So they can also see verified businesses, so that you can understand very specific instructions that we are going to give the Replit AI to build this website for us. So take a look. You're going to see everything uh, details by details. Here you can see listing view page. So which they can view all of this. Each listing should include the business name, logo, banner, image, description. So all these can be visible to visitors. So here you can see user interaction. So they can also leave a review, and they can, have access to the search system. So here for the company owners features, they can be able to register on the website, and they can register and log out system, secure authentication as well for them. And once the company registered and the company registered on the platform, these are all things that they will be able to do on the site. So they will be able to add new business listing, and they can edit business profile. That is their own profile, and they can upload images, logo, gallery, add services slash product, and they can also set location or map, and they can also update working hours as well. So, and they can also have analytics dashboard, profile views count. They can see that people who are who have viewed their services, and they can also see the click tracking website, call, WhatsApp, customer engagement and stats, and then review monitoring. So all these are for the company owners. So yeah, you can also see listing management. So they can also create a listing per company, boost features, listing options, and verify budget requests. So you can see a lot more on the site. So here, without all of this, the website would not be that good enough for you, because you're trying to build something that we can make money out of it. So you have to build it in a professional way. So that is why I'm taking my time to show all of this. So you can also see the admin features. That is for the admin who is creating the website. So his own features is also going to be different from the companies and the users. Okay, so you can see the secure admin login, and you can see role based access control. So you will be having 100% control on the site. So here you can see as an admin, you'll be able to see the total users on your website. And also you're going to have total businesses registered on your website. And you're going to see the total reviews, people who have review on services or companies posts. So also you're going to see the pending approvals, and you're going to see revenue start if monetized. So if you're also monetized with this website, it can also track all the earnings from your, maybe from your AdSense account, also for you to see how much you're earning from the website. So the business management, so you can see they can approve, reject the business listing. So once the business owners register and they posted the company details, post their self on the site, you can approve or reject, and you can also edit or delete any listing, and you can also verify business, blue tick system, and feature or promote listing. So you can see from here, you can see the user management. So you can view all the users, you can ban and unban users. So very fantastic website which we are building. So here you can see optional monetization features. So this is very, very important for someone who actually want to make money from directory website. So you have to give your time and you have to understand how this works. Okay. So here you can see the optional monetization features. So this is also where I was talking about that. Make sure you stay till the end, because I'm going to give two secret ways you can make money out of this. So I have to leave this because I will reveal everything later on for this section. So here you can see the tech stack requirements for the website. So in building this, you have to understand that the languages which you want to be used on the platform. So if you don't want to use next.js, maybe you want to use uh, PHP or other languages. So you can also specify, you can remove this. So we'll be using React.js or next.js. So here, if you don't want, after the prompt has been given to you, you can remove this particular section and you put the language which you want the AI to make use of, for you. So you have to be sure of what you're doing. So here you can see the back end also. You can tell the AI what you want from the back end, which language you want the AI to make use of. So here you can see node.js and plus express or okay. So here you can also specify, and here you can see our database. So all you have to specify if what the AI generated for you, that's not what you want. So you can make sure you edit them, and you can edit them, make changes to that. Okay. So here you can see, so the pages are required on the website. So you can see the home page that is or is required, search, category, listing page, business profile, login, and register, company dashboard, admin dashboard, about page, and contact page. So these are just the few pages that we need. So the final instructions here you can see details by details. So and here you can see the extra prompt optional. So now here you can see where I was able to generate the names. I also asked ChatGPT to suggest to give me suggestions of the names to use. So here you can see our prompt is complete here. So, and here this are all the prompts. So you copy this prompt. As I said, you edit anything that you don't want. You have to go through them. So here you can see you have to copy it complete. So we have to, okay, let's see. So this is where you should start copying all the text, the message, the prompt. Okay, so here you can see the prompt is given to us. So now the next thing, you have to go to Replit AI or Replit agent. So I'm going to share that here. Let me share the screen. Okay, so this is Replit AI. So you can see on your screen as well. So this is Replit AI. This website, this AI or this agent, Replit agent is actually very, very good to create website. And the good news about creating anything with this platform, at the end, you can be able to ask the platform to generate all the code for the project for you in zip file for you to download and upload. Another thing you need to understand about this Reflect again, if you're creating a real project, then you have to pay for the I think for the, here you can see the blue icon where it says upgrade. So you need to pay for, so that you won't get stopped on the road, because let me click and you see. So you have to pay for this if you're going with the real project. So here you can see, so you have to pay maybe for this, so that you'll be able to make sure your website is working fantastic and your website is complete. So make sure you pay for this, because if not, here you will get stuck on the road, because the Reflect are free coins or free I think it gives 100 credits. So once you exhaust that 100 credits, you won't be able to continue building your project. So make sure, if you're building a real project, you get this. Okay, so here you can see this is the prompts which I have given the Reflect AI to build this website for me. So I want to show you. So all the code which we copied, you have to drop it here. As I said earlier, make sure you check every details. So you can see I have dropped the complete code which we copied from ChatGPT. So because I've already sent, so now let me show you what Reflect AI was able to build for us. So here you can see, from the complete prompt which we read from the beginning, you can see that all the details we put are all in place. So you can see the name we give, directory hub, and here you can see home page, and here you can see browse, and here you can see about us, and here you can see the contacts us page, and here you can see the you can change this one from black to white. So you can see very fantastic website. Okay, so here you can see sign in, and here you can see get listed. So here it can tell you to register. So here is asking us to register as a users. That's why I say browse, because you'll be browsing on the website. So even if you don't register as a visitor, you can still have access to see all the listing on the website. So as a company, you can also register as a company. So you can see, let's take a look how beautiful it is, this website. So here uh, you can see the welcome message as you can see very nice design, business near you, discover verified businesses. Okay, read authentic reviews and connect with top rated services in your area. And here you can see the search bar, and here you can see the location, so you can write the name of the business or the company you're looking for. Maybe you want to get the direction where to go, how to go to the company. So if you know the name, you can type it here. And if you know the location, that is the city, you put it in here, then you click on search. So it's going to search for you. So because I did not put any name, anything, so it's going to open the browse section where every businesses are available. So here we go back. So that is how, so for you to know that it's working fantastic, that's why this one also open. So here you can see the building, restaurant, hotel, lawyers, doctors, tech services. And here you can see the businesses, and 8 businesses, users 3. So all the users registered on the website will be counting here, and also the businesses, the companies registered on your site also will be counting here. All the reviews on the website also will be showing from here, and also the verified verified companies also will be showing as well from here. So if you continue here, you're going to see all the category for the site. You can see all the categories we have on the site. So okay, here you can see, and each of the category added anybody posting something under each of these also will be counting. So which you can see under beauty and spa. Also we have one listing, so entertainment nothing, and education nothing, finance nothing. So you can see here under health and medical one, and technology too. So now here are all the features of businesses. So this is how it is. So now let's check, have a look on how these companies, how they are, how uh, so here you can see after clicking on it, the logo on the site also went behind, and you can see the name of the company, that is the restaurant, and you can see example the phone number, the email address, and also the company website, and also their address as well. So here you can see you can make a call directly to find out who you want to make an order for this restaurant. Maybe you want to buy some food, anything, drink, you can order from here. And here you can leave a review, and you write your review. Okay, so absolutely incredibly dining experience. So you can see, so because I, okay, you see it's showing here that we need to sign in to leave a review. So non-registered persons on the site, visitor, cannot leave a review unless you have to log into the website. Okay, so let's continue checking. So this is how fantastic this website is, and here you're going to see the footer sections as well, very clean and nice. Okay, let me go. Okay, so here you can see Own a business, list your business for free and reach thousands of potential customers every day. So if you would click on get get listed free, or you click on read more, it's going to take you to the about us page so that you understand how the website works. So you can see that is the about us page. It's taking you back. So, and if you click on get listed free, it's going to take you to registration page. You can see it's taking us back. So here the footer section, very clean and very nice. You can see list your business for free and reach thousands of customers every day, and you can see the button. Once you click on it, everything on the website very fantastic. You can see it's taking you to register an account to get started. Okay, so here you can see the information about the company, the email ID, phone number. You can see Lagos, Nigeria. Here you can see the social media icons. So here you can also see discover, browse listing feature, businesses, verified businesses, and also new listings. So here also you can see for more okay, for businesses. Okay, so all this information, and here you can see about us, contact us, privacy policy, terms of services, terms of services, and cookie policy and site map. Here also you can see popular cities: Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and the rest. Okay, so very fantastic. And here you can see the admin message here. Copyright 2026 directory hope all rights reserved. And you can also see the privacy policy as well, and you can see very important things here on the footer section: SSL secured and verified listings. So that is how it is. Now let's log in as an admin so that you understand the last. We are going almost to the last point where we're going to discuss how you can make money out of this website. So if you log in as an admin here, let's go. Okay, so we want to sign in. So on this platform, very important thing is that if you as an admin, from here, okay, from the Replit AI, you're going to tell Replit AI you have to give your information as an admin, that you need you have to give your email ID and the password for you to, you tell the AI that I'm giving my email address and this is my password for the admin dashboard. So the AI is going to work it for you to control the website. So with the details which you give, if the Replit build the website for you, if you come back to the sign in, though from here the Replit also is going to tell you if there's any specific URL you need to go before you can log in as an admin. If there's nothing, he's going to tell you to just go to the sign in button and put in your details, and he's going to also rewrite the same email and the password which you give. So once it's finished setting up all what you asked, then it's also going to tell you now you can log in with social details which you give. So here, these are the email which I give, and this is also my password which I give. Now the Reflect implemented it, and now let's take a look. So you can see I have logged in as an admin on the website. So now I have full control of everything on this website, as you can see, as an admin. Now let's take a look how. Okay, so sorry, I need to show you. Okay, now, okay, let me log out. I didn't know that I was not sharing. Okay, so this is the email and the password which I give to the AI to, puts me as an admin on the site. So okay, let's click sign in, and you can see I have in now as an admin. So if I click here, you're going to see what an admin can do on the website. So you can see my dashboard and you can see admin panel. So let's start with the dashboard. How does it look like as an admin? So this is how the dashboard is. So on the dashboard you can see the total views, you can see the total click, you can see review, you can see ratings, and also here you can see create listing. So here you can see analytics. So here is going to show you people visiting from where, and how many users, the traffic, everything is also going to be shown here. So let's go to the admin panel. Okay, let's check. So here you can see as an admin, you're going to see all the users registered on the site, and also you're going to see all the total listings, and also you're going to see all the reviews and pending posts. And here you can see verified, and you can see features, featured post, and here you can see the categories of total categories of the we have on the site, and here you can see pending reviews. So here you can see if you want to feature someone, here you can see approve, verified. So you can featured anyone from here by clicking the icon here. You can see has been featured. So you can also remove him here as well. So you can see approve. So if also rejected, you can also see rejected. So and you can see the approve button from here. So as users, you can see these are the total registered users. You get them here, all their name, their details, their email ID. So you can ban anyone who is spamming, and so on. And here you can see the total review. We'll be showing it here. Oh, sorry, pending reviews. People reviewing on the site. The pending ones will be showing here. So here are the pages on the website. So like the one you see on the top with the pages, that is this one, home, browse, about us. So you can see them here. Okay, so here you can see about us, and you can see description, you can see verified listing, you can see every settings from the pages, contact. So you can see the contact us. Okay, so and here site and footer section, you can see also the contact us as well. So here SEO, this is where you're going to set your SEO settings for your site to rank on Google search, just simply like this one. You can see this is how your site is going to look like on search engine, like on Google. So you're going to do all the settings from here, and here this is where you need to monetize your site as an admin. So here you can go to your AdSense .google.com in order to get the publisher ID, and you're going to get all this your site monetized. You're going to see it monetized. You can on the header, lead board, you can sidebar, you can on everything and put which each and every code, and you click save. So you're good to go. So here also you will be also linking your analytics as well. You need to go to your analytics.com.google.com, analytics.google.com, and you register, you get your uh, measurement ID from there, so that your website every click will also be counting verified on your website. And also here you can see settings, so all these settings for the website, and here for the footer section where all the social media links are added, so you can put in your YouTube URL, everything, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Okay, so you can do all of that from here. So after being done with everything, you can click save. So this website now is fully functional, 100% functional. So the next thing you need uh, to do is to head back to this platform after, that is the Reflect AI, after making sure all your project is complete. Now you can tell Reflect to convert all the projects for you in zip file, and it will do that for you. Then you can download. So if you don't want to host this website here or Reflect, because you can also host your sites here or Reflect AI, so you have to pay as well, just as normal way we pay for domain and hosting as well. So AI, this Reflect can build and also host it for you. So now, as I said, that if you listen to the video till the end, now these are the most important thing you need to pay close attention, because I'm going to show you the ways you can make money out of it. After completing all these projects, you can come in back here after you make sure your project is working well. Now it's time for you to tell Reflect that you should add uh, three plans for you. You can either name the plans maybe monthly, or you can name it the way you want to name it, maybe normal plan, or uh, you can name a simple plan, or any kind of, so each of the plan you have to explain here. Yeah, so you have a normal plan, or you write it monthly plan, and then the 5 month plan, and then yearly or annual plan, or you can specify three different plans. And then now tell tell the AI, the Reflect, that uh, 1 month plan should be uh, 5 or 4 posts, and then 5 months or 6 months plan should be maybe 10 posts. Then yearly plans should be maybe unlimited, or 20 posts. So after giving all these details, then the monthly plan should be how much dollars? Maybe $5. Then the 5 months, maybe maybe $30 or 35, and then maybe the yearly plan, maybe 70 or $65. So after setting all of this, the AI is going to understand you 100%, and is going to do that for you. So after putting that for you, it's going to build it. After building it, the second thing also, you're going to put in your details. So if you don't know how to do that, it's very simple. You go either to Stripe or any of the online platform. This one, or there's so many ones. Let me check for you. So you can go and register an account, maybe or pay stack example. there's different other platform where you can go and you open you need to create an account. After creating a successful account, after completing the successful account, like maybe pay, okay, you can see, okay, let me show you. So here you can see these are all the platform. You can see pay stack, and let me click. So here on this platform, you can create, you can, so you can see, you can create your account on this platform. There's several ones which you can also do the linking. So after you create your account here, there will be options where you register as a developer and you're going to link your card, your ATM card with this platform, and you're going to get the secret key and I think publisher ID and the secret key. So after getting those things, you need to head back to Reflect, and also you can do this by doing two things, either by asking Reflect to give you where you should have the secret key, because this key is very important, shouldn't be public, so it should be hidden. So you can tell the Reflect to do it, or it will generate where you should put it yourself. It can also do that for you, because the Reflect also understands the secret key where it shouldn't be shared. So that's very important. So you need to do that, and once you do this, then once customer or the business owners pay for you, you will get your money automatically into this platform, into your account here. Your money will be showing here in your account here. Okay, so here you can withdraw your money, do everything. This is also your developer account. So that is how it works now. The second thing, as I said, is to monetize your site with AdSense. But to monetize with AdSense, you need traffic on this website, because AdSense is actually a very nice platform, but you have to make sure you work by their policies. You need to do the real thing before they can get your account approved. So your account should be more than 3 months, and make sure you have good traffic. So all if that's done, I think very 100% you're going to get monetized, and you will start earning from AdSense. So as I said, you can convert this website into zip file, and you head to your cPanel if you don't want to host it here, and that is cool, and you are ready to start earning and 100% developer work without you doing anything, just only giving instruction to AI, and you will get this website start and running. You can see without any much work, you can see AI has created this website for us. You can see that. You can see 100% this website for us. So you can see, Very nice website, very simple site. You can see. So thank you so much for watching, and that is all for today. If you have anything, just drop it down below in the comment section, and I'll always be here to help and guide. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.